Hey, Krista.
Hi, Justin.
What is that music? What is going on in here?
What? You haven't heard of the Baby Shark Challenge yet?
No, Brian, you look ridiculous right now.
Justin, this is a whole new craze that's sweeping across America, and you don't know about this?
I have no clue. I've never seen it before. Shouldn't you be letting people know that our office is going to be closed?
Oh, by the way, this weekend for Labor Day, our office will be closed tomorrow afternoon, and we'll reopen on Tuesday morning. So until then, get your Baby Shark Challenge on. Now hit the beat.
Oh, goodness.
Grandpa Shark,